Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this stitch. I used this stitch for a beanie. I gave it as a present one of my subscribers, so I cannot show it now, but if you want to watch this video you can just look here. And I want to show you how to make it in a flat version. I will use this yarn, again Utopia Patiklax. It's 4 size yarn, and I will use 5mm crochet hook. You can choose your own yarn and hook, of course. If you have any question, please leave comments, and if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. I will start with a slip knot. Then chain multiples of 12. 1, 2, 3. I made 24 chains. When you complete your chains, multiples of 12 chains, just add 5 more chain. Yarn over twice. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and into that 5th chain. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through from 2nd 2, yarn over and pull through from last 2, and we made a triple here. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice and make it one last time. 1, 2, 3. With this 4 chain, I have a 4 triple here. Chain 1, skip 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into that 6th chain, insert and make a single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 5, into the 6th chain, make 3 triple, 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, into the same stitch, make 3 more. 2, 3. Chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5, into the 6th chain, make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 6th chain, make 3 triple. 4 triple, because we are at the end. You will have more chains, so you will make more of these shells. Like I did here, I made 1, 2, 3, and I made 4 triple. Chain 1, turn. Make a single crochet into that 1st stitch. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice. Starting from this second triple, we will make 6 triple together. This 1, 2, 3, skip this one, 4, 5 and 6. We will take this 6 together and we will make them front post at the same time. Insert your hook around this triple, grab the yarn, pull it from 2 loops, pull through 2 loops and leave it like that. Don't complete this one. Yarn over twice, make the same thing for the second triple. 1, 2. Yarn over twice, make it one more time. 1, 2. Skip here and yarn over twice around this triple. Make half of a triple and make it again. Make it one more time. And I have 7 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn, pull through. Chain 1 and close it. Then chain 5. Into that 3 chain space, make a single crochet. Chain 5. Yarn over twice and we will make 6 triple together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Complete them together, close with a chain, then make 5 chains. We have one last triple here and make a single crochet here. That's the end of the row 2. Chain 1, turn. Make a single crochet into same stitch here. Chain 1. Into that chain 1 space, make 3 triple. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3 and into the same space make 3 more. Chain 1 and into the single crochet stitch make a single crochet, chain 1, in that chain 1 space make 3 triple, three chain and 3 more. Chain 1, make a single crochet into that single crochet. Chain 4, turn. We will make 3 triple together this time. 1, 2, 3. Complete together and close. Then chain 5. Make a single crochet into that third chain space, 3 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. make 6 triple together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close them with a chain, then chain 5. Make a single crochet here, chain 5, make last 3 front post triple together. Complete, close with a chain, yarn over twice and make a last triple here. And that's the end of the row 4. We will repeat these 4 rows again and again. I want to show you how to start. Start with 4 chain, yarn over twice and make 1, 2, 3 triple, chain 1 and into that single crochet stitch make a single crochet, chain 1 and into here make 3 triple, 3 chain, 3 triple. We will keep making like that. It's not too hard as you see, and I hope you like this tutorial. As I said before, if you have any question, please leave comments. And Smith Crochet is my Instagram, Pinterest and website address. You can reach me all of that. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.